I love cars. And I have so many cars in my room. I just wish that I had a frame for my car. That way, my room would look even more cooler. Hi friends and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to make a frame for my car. I'm going to make the school frame today. And it looks really amazing. It even has a light. See, it looks like this. Come on, let's see how to make it. We have taken an empty box, painted the sides, and now we are going to attach a hook on the back. I have attached the hook here and I have secured it with a copper wire. I have made one side kit. I have taken a battery holder, a switch, and an LED strip so you could see it works perfectly. Now I will attach this LED strip on the top. So now I have pasted the switch and the battery holder on the top of the frame, and I have pasted the LED strip here. So look, when I turned it on, it looks like this. I have made this painting and now I am going to paste the painting inside like this. I have taken a nail and I am making 2 holes here. So now I have taken a card and I am going to put this card in my frame. I have taken 2 nails and I am going to put the card on those nails. I have attached my card onto the 2 nails that are below, and now my card is hanging. It looks like this. Look, it's amazing. I've created a frame and I am going to paste it here. It's painting time. So friends, I hope you like my car frame. Please do try making this project at home. Bye. Like and subscribe. Be creative.